In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private channel in Slack. A private channel is perfect when you need a focused space where only selected people can see the messages and files you share. Think of it as a smaller invite-only room inside your Slack workspace, ideal for sensitive projects, management topics, or anything that shouldn't be visible to everyone. First, open your Slack on your computer, either in the desktop app or in your browser, and make sure you're in the correct workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of channels. Look for the section labeled Channels. Right next to that heading or at the bottom of your channel list, you'll see a small plus sign. Click on that plus sign to start creating a new channel. A window will pop up asking for details about your new channel, and in the field labeled Name, type in the channel name that you want to use. Channel names usually start with a hashtag and are written in lowercase with hyphens instead of spaces. For example, you might use something like Project Alpha or Team Leads. Try to choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of the channel so your teammates understand what it's for. You may also see an optional description or topic field, and while you don't have to fill it out, adding a short description can really help others understand what kind of conversation belongs there. Once you've typed in the channel name, look for the button labeled Next and click it. This will take you to the privacy options for your new channel. Here, you'll see choices for whether the channel is public or private. To make this a private space, click on the option that says Private, Only Specific People. This ensures that only people you add to the channel will be able to see the messages, files, and history inside it. Other members in the workspace will see the channel exist only if they are invited. After you've selected the private option, confirm that everything looks right. The name, the description if you added one, and the privacy setting. When you're ready, click on the Create button. Slack will now create your private channel, and from here, you can start inviting the specific people who need access and begin sharing updates, files, and conversations in a secure, focused space tailored to your team's needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.